One step at a time, I find my way through valleys of flowers, fresh mountain showers. With magical powers, I find my way. One step at a time, I walk my path in trust and surrender to sunshine and thunder. With eyes full of wonder, I walk my path. One step at a time, I find my way. One step at a time, I find my way.
Hello and welcome back to a beautiful morning here at Hotel Adivaha, Dharamshala. In the valley, great. Our weather and our atmosphere. Heaven on earth. This is heaven on earth. Fresh air. You can do some breathing exercises. This is going to help you take in all the oxygen. पेट भर के सांस लेना चाहिए and you have to suck in your stomach when you exhale. Breakfast calling. Good morning. Breakfast नहीं करें? Yes. कहाँ बैठे? What's your name?
Sandeep Singh.
This is Sandeep Singh. He's going to serve me breakfast today. Great. So आप लाइए fruits, juice and puri bhaji for me. Okay. चलिए, आज का प्रोग्राम ऐसा है कि धर्मशाला, मैक्लॉयडगंज और आसपास की जगहों के नज़ारे और मौसम का मजा लेते हैं. छोटा लग रहा है ना, क्योंकि ये कश्मीर वाला नहीं है. आई एम इन मैक्लॉयडगंज, धर्मशाला, और सुंदर जगह है बट गंदा किया हुआ है. लोगों को समझना ज़रूरी है. These are the places which have to be maintained. I've heard that students all get together and do a clean-up project, but still people come back and dirty it again. So that is very sad. ये चीज़ें होनी नहीं चाहिए. Our own civic sense has to tell us that these things have to be maintained. This is such a beautiful place, otherwise इसको क्लीन रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जगह तो अच्छी लग रही है, शांति है, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है. This is actually the summer house of a friend of mine, Ravi Gupta, and he said you must visit it. तो मैं कहीं और जा रही थी, but I took a detour, और I've come here to Ravi's place. Looks like this is the main house. Okay, I see snow, and let's see what's up here. Mountains. इतना नजदीक. Oh my God, I feel I'm going to go and touch them now. Just see. Oh my God, this is a view. Woo. Thanks, Ravi. Thanks for letting me come here. This is something really worth seeing. I can touch that mountain. Oh, wow. And there's a swing. I see a swing. I hope it doesn't break. Don't break. You can feel like a child. You can feel like a heroine. You can feel everything you want to over here. This place is magical. This is like a Hindi movie set, you know, all heroines going round and round the trees. So I think I'm going to do just that. It's like, देखा मैंने एक सपना पेड़ों के no पहाड़ों के शहर घर अपना पर हीरो This is too good. Cannot be missed. Oh, I see that little house over there. What is this? It's a cute little spot. अभी तो एक गरम चाय and हम सूरती गुजराती के लिए भजिए. That would be the best thing to eat over here. चाय पकोड़ा. कितना याद आता है. हमको सब अच्छी जगह के सब खाना ही क्यों याद आता है. We are at John in the Wilderness Church. ये एक जाना माना और बहुत ही प्यारा चर्च है. चलिए देखते हैं. There's some information. Sounds very interesting. Let's go and see it from inside. This is such a pretty quaint little church. It's all Christmas ready. Just see how happy it looks. Beautiful. Let's see more. This church has got such beautiful stained glass with the preachings of the Christ. And I think our churches look so pretty, and Christmas especially, they have this lovely Christmas tree ready. They have a crib going on here. I'm sure they'll get it ready by Christmas. So yeah, this church is going to look really happy, pretty and wonderful during Christmas. This is known for its Gothic architecture, and I can realize why they say that. See the height, the wooden ceilings. Beautiful. It's just got this sort of a rustic stone look. That was lovely. Feeling so peaceful. Beautiful church. Off to another adventure. आपका नाम क्या है भैया? शंकर। आप कितने टाइम से यहाँ मोमोज बनाते हैं?
अभी चौथा साल
14।
4 साल हो गए
4 साल से यहाँ मोमो बनाते हैं और यहीं पर बैठते हैं
आगे मार्केट में।
आगे मार्केट में। तो सुबह यहाँ आते हैं। ये कौन बनाता है? आपकी बीवी बनाती है कि आप बनाते
खुद बनाता हूँ।
हैं? खुद बनाते हैं। शंकर जी के मोमोज। यू गेट वेज एंड चिकन। आई एम हैविंग द वेज। ये है मैक्लॉयडगंज मार्केट। लेट्स वॉन्डर द स्ट्रीट्स। अब थोड़ा शॉपिंग भी तो किया जाए। This is Nick's Kitchen. I've read about this. Let's take a look in. I don't want to eat just now. Just had momos. Nice place. Nice. Let's sit and watch the mountains for a while. Wow, what a view. अगर मैंने मोमोज नहीं खाए होते तो this was a perfect place to grab a bite. Some other time, चलो. This is the official residence of the 14th Dalai Lama and a place for Buddhist studies. Just spending time here makes you feel spiritual and enlightened. we are heading inside Literati, in Literati, Books and Cafe. It's like a nice cozy place. I've heard a lot about this. I heard the food is also good. So let's try it. बहुत ठंड है ओ बाय गॉड અને આપણા ગુજરાતીને તો બહુ ઠંડી લાગે એન્ડ વાય ઇઝ ઇટ કોલ્ડ યુ નો હું ક્યાં છું ગેસ આઈ એમ એટ HPCA આ છે હિમાચલ પ્રદેશમાં સૌથી ઊંચું સ્ટેડિયમ વર્લ્ડનું ઊંચું સ્ટેડિયમ ધીસ ઇઝ ઇન ધર્મશાલા એન્ડ ધીસ ઇઝ વન ઓફ ઇટ્સ કાઇન્ડ હું બહુ ક્રિકેટની મોટી ફેન નથી પણ અહીંયા આવું અને આ સ્ટેડિયમ નહીં જોઉં એવું તો બને જ નહીં ये तो देखना ही था the stadium has about 23,000 capacity and it's really a very beautiful spacious place and you can imagine અહીંયા જ્યારે મેચ થતું હશે અને જ્યારે આટલા બધા ક્રાઉડમાં લોકો હશે અને you know that excitement, that euphoria, અહીંયા શું feeling હશે I can just guess that. It's really a nice place to be in. The view around also અહીંયા એમ કહે છે કે there is a lot of hilly view of course. આખી mountain range દેખાય છે. But right now it's very cold, very foggy. That's why you cannot see that. बहुत ही ठंड है because ये इतनी ऊंचाई पर है. But it's worth a see. I think it's raining. વરસાદ પણ આવે છે. Okay, we are done with the stadium. आपको मैं लेकर आई हूँ एक ऐसी जगह पे जिसके बारे में बहुत लोग नहीं जानते और शायद कोई किताब में भी नहीं लिखा होगा। ये एक छोटा सा मंदिर है जिसे इंद्रुनाग कहते हैं। So we are at one of the highest points of Indrunag, as you can see now in the camera. But we are at a spot where you can see the sunset. It's all clouded and foggy now. The sun has just gone down. We got a few shots, but not all. And it's really beautiful. The sky is all different colors. You cannot even explain these colors because it's unbelievable. You have to just see it to believe it. The fog is closing in, the clouds are covering the sun peeks out, the clouds come and cover it. All things happening over there with nature which you just cannot explain. But it's something really, really awesome and amazing. I can see the fog or the clouds. Or is it the fog or is it the clouds? Oh, I think it's the fog. Yeah, we were just wondering if the sun would come up a bit and we could get some more shots of it, but I don't think that's going to happen. It's really clouded, extremely clouded and extremely foggy. So from here you can see the whole of Dharamshala, but right now again it has a complete umbrella of the fog on it. Oh my god, what a view is this.
यहाँ आते वक्त दो चीजें याद रखिए। एक तो आप किसी ऐसों के साथ आइए जो इस इलाके को जानते हो, और दूसरा ये विजिट आपको अंधेरा होने से पहले ख़त्म करनी है, क्योंकि यहाँ के रास्ते थोड़े ऊंचे नीचे और कच्चे हैं। आज का एपिसोड यही ख़त्म करते हैं, फिर मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में।